back to another video of Crypto Basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to change currency in Ace Crypto account. First of all, make sure that you are connected to your internet. After that, tap and open Ace application on a device. Make sure that you are logged into your account. You can log in using your PIN here, or you can also log in via your password. After logging in, you can see three lines which is at the top right corner of the screen. Click on it. Now, at bottom of this option, you will see settings at second last option. Click on the settings tab. Now, scroll down a little bit and you will see default currency tab, which is set to USD. Click on this tab and you can see various currency options here. You can also search for the currency in the search bar at the top. After that, click on the currency you want to select. And you can see that the currency has been changed. So that is how you can change currency in Ace Crypto account. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.